Hello, I'm Dr. Barbara Olioso, the Green Chemist and the founder of the GreenChemFinder. I would like to share with you how to use the platform I developed for cosmetic formulators to help you discover, assess and select green chemistry ingredients for cosmetic preservation. Preservation is one of the key challenges and it's essential for the safety of cosmetic products. And there is no tool available on the market that allows you the clarity and the knowledge this tool does, and I'm going to share it with you in a moment. So the first step to use the tool is to subscribe for free. Here it's very simple, and once you do that you can access the compendium. The compendium basically is a set of filters that does the selection based on a set of filters which follow under three pillars: the pillar of cosmetic science, obviously, the pillar of sustainability, and finally the regulatory pillar, because all of these pillars today are necessary to select the right ingredient for your product. Being focused on preservation, the first criteria you can select is if you want antibacterial, antifungal, so specific antimicrobial activity, if you just want a booster, or if you want a broad spectrum. So depending on what you select, the filter will show you the ingredients that follow this function. But let's keep it simple and let's stick to broad spectrum. The pH is critical in cosmetic development, so you can also choose a particular pH range that where these ingredients are effective at. Obviously the physical form, because solid cosmetics are very trendy, so you need ingredients that fit in the formula very easily. So if you want a powder ingredient, you can do that. If you want it vegan, most of the ingredients are vegan anyway, but it's good to have that confirmation. If you want to avoid palm derivatives, or if you want to use palm derivatives that are mass balanced, the tool shows you which ones follow these criteria. Or if you work under a certification scheme such as Cosmos, you can find the approved or compliant ingredients within the platform. The regulatory status, so if you want something that is China compliant, you can select multiple criteria and it will show you which ones meet your criteria. Even the primary functions, if you're working for anti-acne, for example, you can find an ingredient that has this particular activity. Obviously the solubility, if you're using oil-based or just water-based, you can discover the ingredients with this solubility, wild harvested, halal, if certified or compliant, if it is a traditional preservative or not, because obviously I've included traditional preservatives in the platform, and upcycled, because it's the last filter I've introduced, and it's a very very big trend for formulators today. And obviously finally the heat stability. But let's say you want an Annex 5 free broad spectrum ingredients. So we'll see the filter will, let's go for the first one, we'll select a bunch of ingredients which you can check, and you can see there is a card for the ingredient with a short description. You can see the primary function, you can see the INCI listing. Sometimes it's a treasure hunt to find the INCI listing of ingredients, but here it is, along with their CAS numbers, the recommended use levels, and obviously what kind of applications is most suitable at, the pH range, and obviously all the other criteria. It's a 100% natural ingredient, because you can also find the natural origin index here if it's vegan, and it's all visual, so it's not heavy on the brain, it's very intuitive to understand and digest. And you can see it's approved in China and various parts of the world. So if you like this ingredient, you want to know more, then you go to the supplier, you can see where they're based, you can contact them to tap into their network of distributors worldwide. So I hope this shows you how easy it is to use, and how this tool can assist you in this preservation challenge. And obviously this is just the first step. If you have requests, ideas, suggestions, about how to use the tool, or other ideas, please do get in touch. I'm on LinkedIn, as well as, email. I'm available on email. And thank you very much for listening, and happy formulating. Thank you.